Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Bitpay application on your iPhone. If you're looking for a way to download the Bitpay mobile application on your iPhone, then the process is quite easy. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Bitpay and search. Once you find this Bitpay Bitcoin wallet and card application from Bitpay Inc., tap on the Get button to begin with the download process. Bitpay is a blockchain payment processor which allows businesses to accept cryptocurrency payments, primarily Bitcoin, as form of payment for goods and services. Once you have this application installed on your device, you can go ahead and create a new account or sign into an existing one and enjoy all of its features and benefits offered by Bitpay. So that is how you can easily download Bitpay application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.